Hey all, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be curling my Marley twist. Hey. Alright, so here are my flexi rods in a variety of sizes. Grab a few twists at a time and start wrapping them around the rod starting from the end. I wrap away from my face so that the curls twist outwards instead of inwards. This is just my preference. Once I'm done wrapping and rolling, I bend the ends of the flexi rods to hold the twist in place. Be mindful of how high you roll the rods. We'll be using hot water and you don't want to cause any heat damage. After that's done, I do the same to the other side and to the rest of the twist. Alright, now that they are all wrapped around the flexi rods, grab a towel so that the hot water doesn't drip directly on your clothes. Now I'll grab the pot of hot water. Please be extra cautious, the water is hot. Drip each rod in the hot water, making sure to submerge all the hair that is wrapped to ensure that the hair actually gets curled. Hold it for 10 to 20 seconds. I'm going to do the rest off camera because I usually do this over my tub or over the sink so that any water dripping from the hair doesn't go onto me or onto the floor. I squeeze as much water out as I can before I start to take out the rods. Unbend the rods to gently release the curls. I try to slide it off, but most of the times you want to fully unravel it since the ends are tightly wrapped around the rod, which is good for the sake of the curl. I'll do this for the rest of the hair and use the towel to dry off any water that still remains or is still dripping. When drying, make sure you don't drag the towel along your hair. Use a scrunch and squeeze motion to keep the shape of the curls. Aha! Just a little praise break. Alright, then I get back to unraveling the rods. Because I can't see the back of my head, sometimes I miss one or two. What I do is I just rewrap the twists on the rods and then submerge them in the water. My towel was pretty soaked and wet at this point, so I grabbed the shirt just in case. I'm just separating the curls here for a bit more volume. This is the result. Sometimes I style half up for a look like this. Or to the side. Like bim bam boom. Or my favorite, or classic for me, is the center part. Alright, bye! Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Oh, and here's the complete look. I had to share since I was feeling myself.